When you need to build a concrete canoe, there's two processes that need to take place. One is the design process and one is the fundraising process. And so those two tracks sort of move in parallel. And so our students are out there raising money to build the thing for materials. Sometimes they're getting materials and donations, sometimes they're getting materials for transport. And then they're also at the same time developing the concrete mix that goes into the boat. The concrete's a very specialized type of concrete. We want to make the boat as light as we can so that it's fast and so that it doesn't displace a lot of water. So that means that they've actually got to make concrete that is very unlike anything that they would have in class. The interesting thing about this is the materials that go into it. We use recycled glass that's pulverized into a fine mesh. We use hollow glass spheres, and we've made concrete that's been able to float in water. So this particular mix is a little bit stronger, so it's a little bit heavier, but it's just slightly heavier than water. But of course it displaces water, so it will still float. So they're developing the mix, coming up with a plan for how to make the form work to actually cast the boat. Then it becomes more of a, let's build this, let's make it look nice, and then let's practice. For example, for the concrete mix for this is very intricate and not typical concrete. And so we've got a lot of help from different local professional societies that deal with concrete. What they've been able to do is get a lot of new types of mixes to use on this boat that they may not have even heard of. I know I hadn't heard of them. And so because of this public involvement, it allows the students to prosper, and that then turns back around to the public because the students are able to better contribute to society.